Mirzapur 3, well, there is going to be an overdose of emotions. There is going to be a lot of darkness in what we feel and how we feel.
Okay.
I love Golu. I love
Definitely.
Golu. She's the most complex character girl that I have met. And मेरी band बज जाती है whenever I have to play Gajgamani. But it's so satisfying.
I agree.
He used to, in fact, tell me कि अच्छा ये scene है बताओ कैसे करेंगे. And मतलब he's Nawaz bhai. He doesn't need to do
I
that.
know.
I was in a very dark space, which that time I did not realize is because of Golu.
Okay.
I did not understand what is happening with me, but I just felt there was a hollow, there
Okay.
was just something was off and I could not understand. I reached out to Richa and she had told me that this is what they want, this is what trolls want.
Your reaction.
To make you feel small, to make you feel wrong, and to make you feel you're not enough.
Hello and welcome to News 18 Shosha. If you've seen OTT platforms and if you've seen Mirzapur for sure, today's guest has surely caught your eye. You know, she can never be missed throughout the series, and not just about the series, her work overall in her career is something that you will always take a note of. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Shweta Tripathi Sharma on News 18 Shosha. Shweta, thank you so much for being on our show.
Thank you, and it's so good to do these conversations because हम काफी टाइम अपनी दिमाग और दुनिया में रहते हैं.
That's true.
So to hear these things, it feels like I'm definitely doing something right to be hearing all this. So
Absolutely,
thank you
absolutely,
so
no doubt. So Shweta, Touchwood Mirzapur season 3, man.
Yeah.
Not an easy task. Season 1 was an immediate hit, no doubt. Then
Yeah.
came season 2, now season 3.
Yeah.
What can we expect from you? And the whole crew, that too.
You know, I had read this somewhere that Mirzapur is an emotion.
Mm-hmm.
And yes, it is for the audience and the fans. But for us, I really can't tell you what it means because we've not experienced love like this. For anything, मतलब wherever I travel, wherever I go, the way people, मतलब वो चाहे सिक्योरिटी गार्ड देख के वो ऊपर देखते हैं कि अरे गजगामनी या फिर मुझे ब्लेसिंग्स एंड दुआएं मिलती रहती हैं because somehow the characters have connected with the people.
True.
And चाहे मसान भी थी या मिर्जापुर है, we didn't expect ये हो जाए.
That's true.
हम तो अपना काम करने गए थे, we did it, we really enjoyed because of the cast and crew and the script, but also because the learnings that you have when you're off screen.
Mm-hmm.
Because एक शिफ्ट 12 घंटे की होती है.
Very
So
true.
you're shooting for a good time and then you're discussing and you're eating together and there's brainstorming happening. So how the people are, that really influences you as a person.
Mm-hmm.
So I am a culmination and मैं थोड़ा I've taken from all my characters, but also from the people that I've worked with.
True.
And I have been very lucky to have worked with some of the most amazing people because they are just so hardworking, they are so disciplined, and they're very kind human beings.
True.
So that वो हमेशा it's a good check for me that no matter what it is, there are some things that we should not let go of. And Mirzapur 3, well, there is going to be an overdose of emotions. There is going to be a lot of darkness in what we feel and how we feel.
Okay.
There are going to be a lot of unexpected twists and turns and बाकी तो family show है. Family relationships के बारे में and be it father-daughter or be it partners or the position that you have when you are in power.
That's true. You know how much of your character, Gajgamini, has influenced you in real life?
So there are times when when I need to reach out to the strength or the courage that I would want to have, I think about what would Golu do. Because she is one person who keeps her emotions side पे. She
That's
doesn't
true.
let people see what she is going through. In fact, she doesn't herself accept
Yeah.
what she is going
Yeah.
through. And she is a college girl. मतलब college भी खत्म नहीं हुआ है. So मैं कई बार घर पे जब होती हूँ मैं सोचती हूँ कि यहाँ पे मेरी कॉलोनी में there are some people who come.
Uh-huh.
I don't think I am the one who will go down as much as I would like to, but I don't think I'll go and fight as she would. So I think her Veera energy is way higher than mine, and I think all of us have a Golu inside us.
True.
Well, you don't have to be a girl to feel that, but I think Golu is relentless. She's a rebel warrior. She has gone through a lot of emotions in her life because of events that have happened. Her life earlier, she had seen a little bit of what the world was. I don't think she understood much.
Okay.
But now, because of the pain and loss, there is also a lot of anger. There is a lot of shame. There is definitely a little self-doubt, trying to figure out who you are, because now you're a different person.
True.
So, in fact, I just rewatched season 2 and I was like, I don't see myself in, or in fact, any of the characters. Matlab, all of us. Beena, Rasika is so different from Beena. Vijay, and matlab, so I always had a Golu filter on. So when I viewed season 2 earlier, it was very different. Now that I'm seeing, I'm feeling so bad for Shatru. I'm feeling so bad for Munna, and I was like, oh, acha, this is the show. Even Madhuri, Isha's so much power, and it's so much fun that we are a part of something that even we have enjoyed making and we enjoy viewing.
Viewing as well.
क्योंकि वो बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि हमें ही अपना काम अगर पसंद नहीं आएगा, so then how can we expect the audience to like it or relate to it?
Definitely.
Yeah.
No, not as
but
much
I love
as
Golu. I love
definitely.
Golu. She's the most complex character girl that I have met, and मेरी band बज जाती है whenever I have to play Gajgamani, but it's so satisfying.
I agree.
And I really want you to see season 3 and tell me what you think of the show, definitely, but specifically Golu, because
there's a different layer to her.
Yeah. And I've really enjoyed playing it. So let's see, fingers crossed.
Definitely. But as much as the character influences you, people also say that your inputs as well influence the character too that you play on screen. Definitely. That is, I mean, it's but natural. So what kind of Shweta can we see in Golu over the years? Because season 1 se leke season 3 tak, like you have said, it's a different journey altogether. And this season, you just agreed, there's a different layer to it as well. So how did you influence, or how did you probably evolve with Golu?
I think in season 1, this is a question the makers have not answered, that if Golu was a requirement. And that time I did not think, because I thought I was fine. I was fine, I was amazing. But now when I look back and when I see season 1, I'm like, was being Golu a requirement for Golu? And nobody answers that. But I think how I have influenced Golu is fitness.
Okay.
Because this was my decision that agar ye ladki, if she's picking up the gun, then I want her to be mentally and physically fit to a certain extent.
True.
I wanted to look like that this girl can do that. I wanted to look fearless, feel fearless, be fierce. So I think wahan se wo jo journey start hui because of Golu, but that has helped Shweta as well. Because I started working out during the lockdown. Never before that. Before that, I used to run from the gym. वही वो जो हमारे सबके typical excuses होते हैं, जब हम gym की membership दे देते हैं, फिर then we don't turn up.
We all sit back.
Yeah, but actually because of 3 people, Cheetah, my husband, because he's a very disciplined person.
Wow.
And both mentally and physically tick mark. Pandeyji, who's my trainer, and Golu. Because of these 3 people, fitness has become a part of my everyday life. I've given up sugar till Mirzapur releases, because वो मन्नत मांगने वाली बात होती है. And 6 July is my birthday. So I'm like, अब जब केक कटेगा तो सीधा वो वाला कटेगा. So I think fitness has been a huge influence of Shweta on Golu. And yeah, there are few similarities that, जैसे season 1 में Golu did not believe in violence. Even now she would not want to believe in violence. But then again, मतलब आपकी दुनिया ही चेंज हो चुकी है. आपका पेन की जगह वो हथियार आ चुका है.
I know.
But I think my playlist
has changed?
Playlist has changed, because I have a playlist for all my characters.
Wow.
And Golu's playlist is something that whenever again I need to feel stronger, I want to feel in control. That is something that I
What's your
go
favorite
through.
song when you listen to?
There is Raise Your Weapon,
Okay.
Dead Mouse ka. So there is that. There are a lot of Hunger Games tracks. There's
Nice.
Sophie Tucker. There is her track. There's a lot of metal as well.
Wow.
Songs with a lot of aggression.
Okay.
Um,
That's usually not you.
that is not me. So in fact, even I was playing the playlist and I was telling Cheetah, this song is so good, and like if not for Golu, you would not be listening to this track. I was like, oh really? So it's that we as actors, अब मैं अपनी बात कर रही हूँ, I'm sure बाकी actors का अलग अलग process
Definitely.
होता होगा, मैं ये
Yeah.
कुछ भी नहीं claim कर रही हूँ कि ये ऐसा वैसा होता है. What I love about acting is that our job is actually magical
Mm-hmm.
because we go into a world, we believe in a world where there are different people, different power equations,
Mhm.
different relationships, different people who matter. And you start believing in that.
True.
You don't fully become that person, but the thing is, you're breathing as when I'm breathing on set in a scene, I'm not breathing like Shweta, I am breathing like Golu.
Golu,
If there is
yeah.
a panic situation or if there is a fight or flight, then that is what I'm thinking about. If I'm angry, then my breath is different.
Mm-hmm.
तो क्या होता है कि बॉडी को थोड़ा ना पता है कि आप अच्छा अभी एक्टिंग कर रहे हो.
I know.
वो you know it, but how much of your conscience knows that? And it takes a psychological toll, especially when it's drama heavy, because कहीं ना कहीं वो फर्क पड़ता है, and मुझे तो फर्क पड़ता है.
Definitely.
So, and especially इसमें because there is a lot of pain, and that is by choice, because I want to tell stories where I can tell people the pain that people go through, or the pains and the struggles and the sorrows that exist in people's life.
True.
And that is not because those are the only kind of emotions I want to
No, definitely.
connect the audience with, but I think it's important.
And it's relatable too.
It's relatable, and I think it's very important to, what I love about acting is it's like an investigation of humanity.
Mm-hmm.
कि आप मतलब आप सोच रहे हो, why has a person behaved like this? What is the reason? Instead of just saying black and white, जैसे कहते हैं ना कि black and white characters या grey characters. I think the entire color palette is to be explored. So why limit them to just black and white and grey?
True.
There is so much to all of us. Like the shirt you're wearing.
Thank you. But you know, when it comes to OTT platforms, would you say the advent of OTT, or when the medium of OTT has probably given women also a lot more powerful roles than the typical Hindi cinema, or if I may say so, to be specific?
You know, I really think जो society होती है ना, जो change बाहर हो रहा है वो अंदर भी होगा, जो अंदर हो रहा है वो बाहर भी होगा. So if there is more importance given to women protagonists, there are more CEO, lawyers,
True.
doctors that are also happening. So the change goes hand in hand. It happens together.
True.
And that is, that feels great. मतलब be it Payal Kapadia winning at Cannes,
Yeah.
or Anusuya winning the actor. So the thing is कि सारी चीजें, it's like it influences, it's a butterfly effect, and which is why I think it's very important to raise your hand, make
bring that
that
change.
mark, yeah, and stand up for what you believe in. बात छोटी या बड़ी नहीं होती है. Whatever it is, and you should not wait for one day when you have the power, you will do it. I don't believe in that. I think everyone has a certain power, has Golu inside them. We have to be able to access that.
True.
And once we do it with logic, with love and kindness, I think people will understand.
True.
Yeah.
But do you believe in the industry it has changed over the years?
It
as
is
for the
changing.
women?
See, Golu का अगर हम example लेते हैं, I have not seen a character like Golu.
True.
So while even doing, I remember जब हम climax shoot कर रहे थे season 2 का, while performing that, I thanked my writer and my director because I have not seen a character like Golu. So that makes me very happy that there are not just women but men around us who are bringing about that change. Be it Neeraj Ghewan, be it Shlok Sharma, मतलब ये सब, the way they are writing, the way they are portraying, that's very, very good and layered and complex at the same time.
True. You know, in
वो
a
dry
recent...
cleaned characters नहीं, वो तो मतलब बहुत ही boring लगते हैं कि मतलब वो अगर
वही
माँ
करना
है
है।
तो माँ जैसी है, बहन है तो बहन ही है, but नहीं, there is, you can be all those things and so much more.
True. So I recently read your interview where you said that, you know, it's not about being pressure that Mirzapur 3 has reached such heights already even before its release. It is a responsibility for you. That's what you mentioned.
Hmm.
But this act of responsibility, or the kind of responsibility that has been vested on you, that you feel, does this put on the pressure as an artist?
Uh, it is almost that you want to appreciate what has come your way. But while performing, I don't think we are thinking, oh my God, how will this happen? Because I think if you have purity of intent, then हो जाएगा.
True.
आप अपना ट्राई करो क्योंकि things will go wrong, some people will like it, some people will love it, some people will have a problem. That will happen. Our job is to try to do what we know best, to learn and to grow. बाकी फिर वो audience के हाथ पे है.
True.
But one thing that happens is, which I'm realizing, and what I learned is in this journey, not to have expectations, because expectations तो कुछ भी हो सकती हैं.
True.
But now the thing is, I have had as an actor my wow moments with the work I have done. Like for example, I was shooting for Lakhon Mein Ek season 2, and we were coming back, and hoarding pe for the first time I saw my solo hoarding.
Wow.
And it was a proper वो emoji है ना जो stars वाला. I was so happy to see that. But the problem is, अब season 3 आते आते वो तो चाहिए ही मुझे.
Yeah, definitely.
तो मेरा अब वाव मोमेंट क्या होगा? मतलब कंट्री का इट्स वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर शोज. एवरीवेयर वी गो इट इज मिर्जापुर. कितनी गालियां पड़ती हैं. तो वो अब नाउ अभी एशिया के बिगेस्ट होर्डिंग पे लगा है.
डेफिनेटली.
तो वो देखिए, दैट्स व्हाई आई मेड श्योर दैट आई वांट टू एंजॉय एंड रिलिश दीज मोमेंट्स, बिकॉज कई बार ना वो बच्चे का सपना भूल जाते हैं कि जब हम छोटे थे हम वो, आई वुडंट से ग्रीड के चक्कर में, बट यू गेट यूज्ड टू इट.
True.
But we stop enjoying these conversations.
That's true.
Which I want to consciously कि ठीक है जो काम हो रहा है वो तो आएगा ही. 5th जुलाई के बाद अलग स्टोरी है. But till 5th July, I want to enjoy this moment and I want to celebrate what we've done, because I know every cast and crew member has tried to give their best. And जो आता है, everybody hits it out of the park.
Definitely, no doubt. And the cast is, I feel, the perfect cast we've got so far.
Yeah.
Touch wood on that one, seriously. You said, you also draw a lot of inspiration from your co-actors and the crew as well. What is that one thing that you could say that, that has stayed with you since day one from your co-actors? Let's name, say, Pankaj Tripathi sir or Ali Fazal. What are these traits that you have taken from them, or the inspiration that has stayed with you? If you could just name a few.
So season 2 में I used to come to the van. And I used to get ready. और फिर अगर टाइम नहीं होता था in the sense मेरा they didn't need me on set just yet, so I used to get very impatient.
Okay.
That कह रहे मैं तो ready हो गई हूँ, why aren't they calling me? And then I saw Ali, वो ready होके van में बैठता था, किताबें पढ़ता था, content देखता था, and अपना mood अच्छा रखता था. And he was focusing on the right things.
Right.
So that's when I realized कि यार ये mood तो मेरे हाथ ही है, मैं ना. So now season 3 or every shoot that I go to, I go with my iPad, I go with my books, my music, my food, my coffee. कि जब भी बुलाना होगा, ठीक है. So I have made that vanity van my space, my creative space. So that was one huge thing from Ali I learned. Ali तो बहुत ही, I call us the Humble Pie Club, because our director also Gurupa, he is one of the kindest and sweetest human beings anybody will ever meet. And he has this magical dust on him, where he wants कि सबका भला हो, चाहे वो कैरेक्टर एक लाइन के लिए कोई आए ना, या फिर थ्रू आउट हो. एग्जैक्टली. सो नाउ द थिंग इज कि वही हम सब ना वो हम्बल पाई क्लब का पार्ट बन चुके हैं. तो वही कई बार मैं लाइक गुरुबा, व्हाट हैव यू डन टू अस? बट दैट इज द पॉजिटिव इन्फ्लुएंस दैट वी हैव विद people, like not just co-actors but even the directors that we worked with. Even Siddharth sir from ये काली काली आंखें, उन्होंने बालिका वधू बनाया था. तो लेकिन फिर भी, और नवाज भाई, the patience they have to listen, because Haramkhor was my first film.
Correct.
He gave me a lot of respect, space and heard me out. He used to in fact tell me कि अच्छा ये सीन है, बताओ कैसे करेंगे. And मतलब he's नवाज भाई, he doesn't need to do that. वो करते थे और वो सुनते थे, वो सिर्फ पूछने के लिए उन्होंने नहीं पूछा. So now how that influences me is that now with all my co-actors and my younger actors, I want to be like that. Yeah. So because अगर इतनी सारी अच्छी चीजें सीखी हैं तो मुझे pass on भी करनी है. Even Richa Chadha during Masan, she was just like such a solid support. And now that couple is super special to me, because Ali and Richa. So अच्छे लोग मिलते रहते हैं ना, तो तो आपका वो हौसला बने रहता है एंड वो आप खुद काफी सिक्योर हो जाते हो
That's very true.
because of the people that you're working with. It's a very nurturing and healthy environment.
True.
Sorry, even Vijay Verma.
Definitely.
वो कालकूट में हम जो शूट कर रहे थे एक बार ये सीन का हुआ था सो आई वाज बिकॉज आई प्ले एन एसिड अटैक सर्वाइवर
हाँ.
सो आई वाज इन बेड एंड आई वाज कमिंग फ्रॉम समय प्रोस्थेटिक्स होते थे सो आई डिड नॉट गेट अ चांस टू रीड द सीन विजय केम ही सैट ही सेड एक बार सीन पढ़ लेता है एंड आई वाज लाइक इसको पता है क्या कि मुझे सीन पढ़ने का टाइम नहीं मिला पर उसने इस इतने प्यार से बोला ना एंड शायद वो अपनी रिहर्सल के लिए कर रहा होगा बट उसकी रिहर्सल से मेरा फायदा हो गया because the scene is important to him.
True.
These are actors, they are not just looking ki I should be prominent in the scene or
It's
my
the end
emotion
product.
should be, yeah, it is what you are trying to portray. So वही मतलब even season 3 में some of the scenes when you see it, I was in a zone and Vijay told everybody else कि गोलू को तंग मत करो, वो अभी अपने एक जोन में है, क्या जरूरत है ये करने की. तो फिर इसलिए इतना प्यार आता है ना कि बहुत अच्छे बहुत टचूटा बहुत ही अच्छे को एक्टर्स हैं एंड इतने सिक्योर है. इवन विकी, ओ माय गॉड आई कैन जस्ट स्टॉप टॉकिंग अबाउट को एक्टर्स. मिर्जापुर सीजन 1 के बाद विकी का कॉल हैड कम एंड ही लाइक्ड द शो एंड ही हैड सीन इट लेटर एंड ही सेड जो सारे एक्टर्स ने काम किया ना कि व्हेन यू रेज द बार तो खुद का भी मन करता है कि यार कम ऑन दैट वन हैज रेज्ड इट, चलो हम भी करेंगे. So I think that kind of healthy envy is very good.
Yeah. But do you envy anybody else from the industry?
I am, matlab Teeny who won the award at Cannes. I was very emotional when I read that because I was feeling so proud.
Sure.
And also it was a good envy because I want to be there with my films.
Definitely.
And I think envy is a good thing as long as you understand it. Emotions जो भी होते हैं हाँ कि मतलब आपको ये समझना है कि आपको envy क्यों हो रही है. आपको वो इंसान से हो रही है या आपको वो हो रही है that something that person has done. So if I want to be at Cannes, I need to work hard. True. I need to work with directors and storytellers who tell those kind of stories.
Definitely.
So I think it's important to decode your emotions because then you'll be able to work towards that. Alia Bhatt, phenomenal. I feel again so happy that this girl is just hitting it out of the park back to back. Be it like she's just so good. So any actor who even Maya Hawke because she's my latest crush these days. So I feel envious of. I want to work with Timothy. तो मेरे तो मतलब मुझे
let's manifest it right now.
So I feel that if you use your emotions in a good way तो अच्छा ही होगा.
Definitely. You know, coming to social media now, this is a different ball game altogether. And social media ke alawa, I don't think any movie these days can work if there's no popularity or no push on social media as well. Social media has definitely two sides. Like you said, Mirzapur, किसी को पसंद आता है, किसी को नहीं पसंद आता है, somebody love it. But how do you deal with these kind of negative comments that come to you? Or if you come across them, how do you, because you have invested so much in a project and when you see it's not being appreciated or it's not being taken the right way, does it affect you?
It does, and it affected me the most when जब CA protests हुए थे, and तब in fact season 2 खत्म हुआ था, so I was in a very dark space, which that time I did not realize is because of Golu.
Okay.
I did not understand what is happening with me, but I just felt there was a hollow, there was just something was off, and I could not understand कि क्या हो रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है. बाल भी गोलू की तरह थे क्योंकि वो बाल ही कटा लिए थे. And then we had gone for the protests and somebody had, and generally I don't read comments.
Okay.
क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि जो वो अच्छी चीज जो पढ़ोगे ना तो वो जो बुरी चीज भी होगी and that बुरी चीज will sting you in such a way and you cannot avoid that. आप सिर्फ अच्छे नहीं कर सकते हो, मतलब it's not a Disneyland. So तब somebody, and ठीक है मुझे गाली वाली तो वो अलग बात है, but somebody had commented that they won't see my work. अब now that time I was a younger self and I felt very bad कि श्वेता की personal decisions की वजह से how can you say that you won't see my work, because my work is about so many other people.
True.
It's the entire gang that is making it. It's people's hard work, it's effort, it's money. तो वो तो मुझे बहुत था and I reached out to Richa and she had told me कि this is what they want, this is what trolls want.
Your reaction.
To make you feel small, to make you feel wrong and to make you feel you're not enough and that you're doing कुछ तुम गलत कर रहे हो और तो मतलब आप खुश हो जाओगे ना. So this is when we have to stand strong. And in fact, I was shooting for a short film, and next दिन मैं गई थी and over that image, Malika Dua had put up a photo of the protest and थोड़ा खून था and किसी का जूता पड़ा हुआ था. Like I still have that image so clear in my head, and I just felt so horrible. So I'm sitting on set where I'm supposed to be a character, but Shweta के emotions were so high कि मैं कोने में बैठ के I had tears and I didn't want anybody to see me cry because I didn't want to think कि उनका काम affect हो जाएगा. Because हम यहाँ तो काम करना है ना. And then people like Varun Grover, Swara, all these people कि आप agree करो नहीं करो वो अलग बात है. But freedom of speech and expression has to be appreciated and respected. Whatever side you might be on, and it's all right. But इतनी तो मतलब हम इंसानियत जब भूल जाते हैं ना तो वो फिर मैं
Does it still bother you, or do you think you've grown over it?
I think I still don't read comments.
You still don't
I
read
just
comments?
flip वो ऊपर से क्योंकि अब वही ना अब कौन किस मूड में है, क्या किसी को कोई हैंगरी है तो किसी को जॉब से अगर निकाल दिया है या फिर आपकी लड़ाई हो गई है तो वो सारा एक कमेंट पे निकल जाता है.
True.
So and it does affect. So I think this is something that I am working on a day-to-day basis. And हो जाता है पता है कई बार कि अगर ये number of likes या number of shares या फिर traction कम है तो फिर तो वो तो फिर भी I am trying to cut it.
True.
कि अब it is what it is. In fact now I recently posted और उस post में ना ज़्यादा likes नहीं आए थे. So then I have decided if I am posting तो देखते हैं कितना लंबा चलता है पर मैं नहीं देख रही हूँ कि likes कितने हैं क्योंकि मेरे देखने से क्या हो जाएगा. Because also what I have observed is कि अगर 5,000 हैं या 10,000 हैं या 1,00,000 हैं वो रिएक्शन ऐसे आपकी कोई दुनिया तो बदल नहीं रही है.
That's very true.
तो वो नंबर से आप इफेक्ट हो रहे हो तो फिर ना ही हो.
Definitely. Lastly, before we end this conversation, you are pretty big when it comes to sustainable fashion as well. Tell us about what drives you to this on everyday basis. Plus, why is it so important in the environment today to be sustainable, not just in fashion in that case, in our daily lifestyle as well.
I think ये मेरे बचपन से आदत रही है because डैड साइड हम लोग गांव में रहते थे and तो जब भी हम रात में जब उठते थे भी स्कूल के लिए तो सबसे पहले पंखे बंद हो जाते थे जो कई घरों में होते थे और अगर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वेस्ट हो रही है मतलब कि अगर ऑन है अगर वो यूज नहीं हो रही है तो हम लोग को सुनना पड़ता था. अगर स्कूल की बस मिस हो जाती थी तो सुनना पड़ता था. सो इट वाज ऑलवेज कि अगर घर में एसी है तो वो एसी कम टाइम के लिए चलाओ और जितना रिक्वायरमेंट है और एक ही चलेगा. सो आई थिंक ये सारी चीजें दैट वी ग्रो अप लिसनिंग टू that is very 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 important and that is because of my parents and our families that they are my role models because they encouraged me for the right things. They never अगर मुझे कुछ भी चाहे वो जर्मन सीखनी हो या ड्रम्स सीखने हो वो मैंने नहीं किया अपनी वजह से. But if there was anything that I could do, grow and learn, they always encouraged me.
True.
I think the problem is that everybody thinks that somebody is going to come save the world. I just saw 3-body problem and उसमें तो aliens आ रहे हैं तो पर मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ कोई नहीं आ रहा है मान के चलते कोई नहीं आ रहा होगा तो very good. We have to be those superheroes. And ये marketing gimmick ही है ना कि हर बार नए कपड़े या फिर आपको क्या क्रीम्स चाहिए या फिर सब कुछ जो हम भी करते हैं to earn a living. We are a part of that. But now I make it a conscious effort that I will not be doing fast food. I will not be doing fast fashion. So even on shoot, even on promotions, these are my clothes. Even the kind of brands that I wear and I try to encourage and support is brands जो कि मतलब
making a difference.
Making a difference and ethically आप correct हो और वही कि आप local लोगों को वो काम दो because क्या हो जाता है कि it's not just environment की तो बैंड बज ही रही है but आप अपने दिमाग की भी जब बजा रहे हो जब आप सोच रहे हो oh my god I can't repeat an outfit or I need to buy more. You don't need to buy more. There is more than enough. So I think it's very important to use your energy in the right direction. Which is why Steve Jobs used to wear what he wore. And I do not mean to say do not enjoy that. You do you. But don't let the world influence you in such a way that these are the number of things that you need. आपको इतने जूते चाहिए या कपड़े चाहिए क्योंकि वो फिर खराब ही होगा. And I believe in things that spark joy. कपड़े पहनने के लिए आप खरीदते हो, रखने के लिए नहीं करते.
That's very
When
true.
you have so many clothes, they're just lying over there, and I believe they are feeling sad. They are not sparking joy because things are meant to be worn.
True.
So I think we have to be the superheroes. We have to be that change that we want to see, and वो pressure हटा देते हैं अपने ऊपर से of looking a certain way or being a certain way.
Perfect. So before I leave you, one last thing I want to ask you: what's coming on the work front after July 5th? What can we expect?
After July 5th is July 6th, which is my birthday, which is going to be super amazing this year, I'm hoping. Then there is Ye Kali Kali Aankhein that we just wrapped, which was a lot of when Siddharth sir saw the teaser, Mirzapur ka, he said, Shikha aur Golu to bahut alag hai. So that makes me very happy also because when I see them on screen, I'm like, ye to ekdam hi
Different
alag hai.
characters, poles apart.
And that is what I want to do. I want to play characters which are drastically different from each other because then I get to live that.
True.
I get to live those emotions. I get to go on that journey with them. So there's Ye Kali Kali Aankhein season 2, and there are a few scripts that I'm developing.
You're developing. Nice.
Yes,
Amazing.
because घर मुझसे बैठा नहीं जाता है, which is why I got this office space because I wanted to make a creative, safe space for people that I'm fond of and that I respect,
Wow.
and just collaborate with them. अब चाहे वो play हो या वो radio के लिए हो या वो Spotify के लिए हो या film हो. So I just want a culture where people are able to brainstorm together and use each other as bouncing boards. कि
True.
आप मतलब बात कर पाओ, discuss कर पाओ और एक nurturing वो. And this again comes from because of the people that I work with.
Definitely.
Because they've been such givers. कि मुझे लगता है कि as artist हमने जो इतना लिया है,
You have to also
it's
give it
important
back.
to give back. Yeah, because फिर तभी तो और होंगे.
Definitely. So on that note, thank you so much. We'll definitely see more of you and all the best. And we hope that you have a great birthday this year.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you
Shweta.
so
Thank you
much. Hi, this is Shweta Tripathi Sharma, and you're watching me on News 18 Show.